Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing these teal nails with a glitter accent nail. And first I'm just going to start off by painting my nails white so the teal comes up a nice bright color. So now I'm just taking the teal color and applying it over the white. Now you don't have to apply white first, but I always do if I'm using a bright color or a light color because it just makes it pop and it looks nicer. I am applying a top coat on my ring finger so the glitter will stick. Now I'm going to use this little Yo Crunch plastic container to catch the excess glitter. Now I'm just going to apply the glitter on my ring finger, and I'm just using this teal glitter and I got it from Michael's. I'm just using this fan brush to brush off the excess glitter. Now I'm just applying a top coat over the glitter. Here is the final look. If you guys like how these nails came out, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!